Welcome to this YouTube channel. On this tutorial I will be showing you how to download 300 YouTube comments to Google Spreadsheet. I wrote a script that can help you do this. So this is a blank YouTube spreadsheet. I gave it a title, YouTube comment, and now I need the video ID where I want the comment from. Okay, I copy the video ID of the video that I want to get the comments, and everything after the equal sign, that's the video ID. I paste it on cell A1 below the video ID. That's where the name of the channel that left the comment will be printed. The comment will be printed on column B, the date on column C, the number of likes on column D, and the next page token and all that, which you don't need to know, will be printed on E, F, and G. Okay, for you to reach the script editor, you click on Tools and click on Script Editor. The script editor is where the scripts are. So you can make a copy of this spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet will be connected to the script as well. Once you make a copy of the spreadsheet, there's a link below this video. You will also have a copy of the script. To reach the script, once again, Tools, Script Editor, then you are here. Once you are here, the file is called comments.js, and I've already activated I've already granted permission to the script. I've already activated the YouTube Data API. To activate the YouTube Data API, you go to Resources, Advanced Google Services, you go all the way down to YouTube Data API, you turn it on and click OK. Mine is already on, so now I just need to run the script. Once I run the script, and the comments will be printed here. Okay, let me run the script. In less than a minute, I will have about 300 comments printed on the spreadsheet. Okay, the script is finished and I have 300 comments. From here, I can sort them based on the number of likes. Okay, sort D, Z to A. Okay, the comment with the most like is on top. 61 comment. I can also sort them based on date. For the newest date, go to data, sort C, Z to A. Okay, the latest comment was left today, and the latest comment is on top. Okay, the oldest comment, you go to data, sort C, A to Z. Now the oldest comment is on top. We only have 300 comments on this example. You can download the comment as whatever. You can download as CVS or Excel if you want, and you can make a copy of the spreadsheet. You will automatically have a copy of the script connected, and you can use it however you want. This is just a function to help you get YouTube comments, and for this example, you can only get about 300 comments. If you know what to modify, you can modify and get more than 300 comments. If you don't know, you can leave a comment and request for me to make modification and send you the link so that you can use the link to to be able to get more than 300 YouTube comments. If you're a programmer, it should be easy for you. It's just a function, and you can print the comments on any active spreadsheet. The only thing that you have to make sure is that the video ID is on cell A1. That's the most important part, and the script is very simple. There's a loop here. Yeah, so the video ID is on 11, which means row 1 column 1. That's where the video ID is. The next page token is printed here to just help the script know where to get it and use it to have more than 100 YouTube comments. The maximum is 100. If you want more than 100, you need to grab the next page token code and use it again and again. So once again, this can give you 300 YouTube comments. If you want more, you let me know. I will write the script, and that script will allow you to get maybe 500, 2000 or whatever. So for now, use the link below this video to make a copy of this spreadsheet and download YouTube comment of any videos that you want. All right, well, yeah, please like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.